In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload my gallery to Google Drive. We will start on your phone, then look at the same idea on a computer. Open the Google Drive app. If you are signed in, you land on your Drive main screen. You will see folders and files, usually as a list or grid. If nothing shows yet, that just means your drive is still empty, which is totally fine for this upload. Now open the folder where you want to store your gallery, or create a new folder. If you create a new one, give it a clear name like Camera Backup or Trips so you can find it later. Once you are inside that folder, you will see its name at the top, which confirms that everything you upload next will go right here. Next, tap the plus add button. You usually find this at the bottom right of the screen. When you tap it, a small menu slides up from the bottom with several options. This is where Drive lets you bring in new content, not only from the phone, but also from its own tools. From that menu, choose Upload or File Upload. On some phones, it just says Upload. On others, File Upload, but they work the same way. When you tap it, your phone opens a file picker screen. Often, there is a Photos or Gallery section, and that is what you want for normal camera pictures and videos. Now select the photos and videos from your phone's gallery. You can usually tap and hold on one item, then tap others to select many at once. Most gallery pickers show a small check mark or highlight around each selected thumbnail, so you can quickly scan and confirm you have the right shots. A helpful trick, if your gallery groups things by date, is to upload one trip or event at a time to keep Google Drive tidy. Then tap Upload. After you do this, you are taken back into the Drive folder you picked earlier. At the bottom, you often see an uploading progress bar appear. Inside the folder, each new item shows a tiny spinning icon until it finishes. Wait for the upload to finish. For large videos or many photos, this can take some time, especially on mobile data. The progress bar at the bottom disappears when everything is done. On Android, you can also drag down from the top of your phone to see a notification with upload progress. Once that is done, your photos and videos will appear in the selected Google Drive folder. Each file shows its thumbnail, name, and the little Drive icon. A useful detail is that you can tap one photo to preview it directly in Drive without downloading it again. On a computer, if your gallery is already on your computer, you can upload from there as well. Open your browser and go to Google Drive. You will see your Drive main page, similar to the app, with folders on the left and files in the center. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account you used on your phone if you want everything in one place. Click New. You find this button near the top left. When you click it, a menu opens with several choices, including options for files and folders. New here always means you are adding or creating something inside Drive. From that menu, select File Upload to upload individual photos or videos, or Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. File Upload is great if you just have a few images on your desktop. Folder Upload is better if your gallery is already organized into one main folder, because Drive will keep that structure inside the cloud. Then select your gallery or files. A system window opens where you can browse your computer. Click your Pictures folder or wherever your gallery lives, then click the exact file or folder you want and confirm. Back in Drive, you see an Upload status box in the bottom right, listing each item and its progress. Wait for the upload to complete. The status box will say Upload Complete when it is done, and the thumbnails appear in the main area of Drive. If a file name already exists, Drive usually creates a second copy instead of deleting anything, so your originals stay safe. Tip for phones: for a large gallery, use Wi-Fi when uploading from your phone, especially for videos, to avoid using your mobile data and to improve upload reliability. Many people start a big upload at night on home Wi-Fi so it can run without interruption. You have now uploaded your phone or computer gallery into Google Drive, so your photos and videos are safely stored online. If this helped you back up your gallery, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Google Drive guides.